Hello, guys. Continuing with the topic of rectification of errors, here is one more point where it's mentioned over here. The credit side of R's account in the ledger had been overcasted by rupees 20. Okay, so here R's account in the ledger is given more credit. Overcast means the more credit. So incorrect entry, what we had done are which carries a credit balance, right, that have been given excess credit of rupees 20 by mistake. So now we want to rectify this mistake. To rectify this mistake, r which has been wrongly credited more should be debited in the correct entry to suspense account, right? Which account is to be credited here? That is, we have to credit the suspense account because mistake have been only in the single account and there is no reciprocal account to carry along the mistake. So we have to correct it by transferring the balance of rupees 20 to which account? That is suspense account. So our debit to suspense. A similar case is here where he says the total of purchase day book undercast by rupees 200. Now here purchase book has been undercast. Undercast meant what? Has been taken a short, right? Undercast means short. So purchase book has been short with rupees 200. Now you know that purchases carries a debit balance. So if we took a less debit, now we should debit purchase account for rupees 200, and the reciprocal, we don't carry any account over here. So here the account to be credited would be suspense account. Now in both the situations, see, one is the case of another overcast and another is the case of undercast, right? You have to justify that which account have been overcasted should be given a reciprocal treatment. Here R was carrying a credit balance, right? So we credited him more. To correct it, we debited, right? Now here the purchase day book was undercast, right? Now purchase book which is carrying a which sort of balance? A debit balance. Now if it was undercast, to make it correct, it should again be debited with the difference amount and the reciprocal to the suspense. So you have to justify what kind of account it is, what kind of balance it carries. Okay, thank you. Keep scoring accountitude. Like, share and subscribe to my channel.